Hey everyone, thanks for watching the OA Cheddar mini course on Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more information about who OA Cheddar is and where you can find these premium Amazon to Amazon flip leads, click the link below to go to our website or join our Facebook group. Links are in the description below as well as on the video. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey everyone, Taylor here. So in a previous video I showed you how to source off of the Cheddar Flips Facebook group, and we actually finished an order from beginning to end using our desktop. In this video I am actually going to show you how we reconcile our Amazon purchases into a Google Sheet, so that way we can keep track of what we're buying, how much we are buying it for. This is extremely helpful for if you're shipping your own products and you have an employee or even yourself shipping your products. It's just a great source to be able to keep everything in track, make notes. It's something that's extremely valuable that we do for actually all of our purchases. So right now I'm in our order details page of the Garden Life multivitamin for women product that we bought from Amazon. And what I'm going to do right off the bat, I'm just going to grab my order ID number and I'm going to take it over into a sheet. It's actually our online reconcile sheet. So this is where we reconcile all of our online purchases. You can see down here I have tabs for our 2020 RA, our Amazon flips, any returns that we do, any reward money that we might get from a supplier or a source, as well as previous purchases over the years. So what I'm going to do is I have the columns broken down by date, buyer, the order number. We have an Amazon short link, and then we also put the Amazon ASIN separate so it's easier to see and compare. We have the Amazon title, the quantity purchased, cost per unit with tax included. Now with Amazon flips we don't pay tax because we have a reseller permit associated with our business account. Total, if I'm buying multiple quantities of an item, we want to figure out what the total amount for just those items were. And then the order total, if I have multiple items that are different SKUs, we want to make sure that we're keeping track of what the actual total was for the entire order. So if we have to go and reconcile it, it's easier to find. You also see over here in orange that we have received status, shipping notes, and then shipping status. This is where we will put notes down, so we've received the item and we've received it in full. If there's any notes that we have to put, say one item came in damaged and 3 came in good, we'll put that there. And then the shipping status, once the item is sent to FBA, we make sure that that is acknowledged. And then we have order notes. If there's any specific notes that we have, you will see here that I put the sizes of all the products there, even though it's already associated with the ASIN and all that good stuff. We want to put that there, so again it's easier for our shipper to be able to process the order. And then also we put what credit card we use so we can keep track of that. So I've already copied over our order ID, so I always start with that first and I add that there. And then I'm going to come over here from our order detail page. I opened up the Amazon link right here, and I'm going to grab that URL, copy that, bring that over and paste that. I'm going to come over here and I like to grab the ASIN from here and I'll drop that in right there. Going back to the Amazon listing, I'll pull the title and add that in as well. Now I ordered 4 of these, so I'm going to come in and switch over, make sure I have 4 as my quantity. And nice thing about Amazon, because they are going to break down the price for me as well as the total, and there's no tax involved. I'm just going to come over here to my order details and verify $17.67 is what I purchased this item for. $17.67. And then back over from the order details page, I'm going to grab my total, which is $70.68. Add that in there. And since I only ordered one for this order, it's only one product that I ordered, just multiple quantities, I'm going to just add that same number over here. I'm going to leave these alone because that is for when the item arrives to our warehouse. There's no order notes with this because there's no size or anything special about it. It's just a vitamin pack, so it's really easy. I'm going to add in my credit card that I used to purchase it, and then the date that I purchased it, which was on the 8th of 2020 for February, and then my name. Now, you can do this however you want and whatever you feel most comfortable with your business. We are going to be adding in a template of this sheet for you guys, so that way you can just take this, copy over the data, put it onto your own Google Sheets, and you can start reconciling your products right from there. But that's about it for this video. This is just easy reconciling. You'll see all the other products I have down here. It's really easy to keep track. One thing that we also do, when an order has been received, it's been shipped to FBA, and it's done, the process is finished, we will highlight it in green like such, and we'll send it in. So hope you find that this video is helpful. Other than that, you guys, I will see you on the next one. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative for your Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more about OA Cheddar and the Amazon to Amazon flips that we provide, please click the links below in the description and on this video. There is one for our website as well as one for our Facebook community that you can join. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.